Make a great choice today with the 2017 Regal. Buick Regal is based on the European Opel Insignia. The Regal is as much a sports sedan as it is a family sedan. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.